Hello, Bex here from Social Media Executive. Now, today I'm just going to show you a little handy tool to get your Facebook page posts seen. So I don't know if you know, but Facebook changed the algorithms quite significantly about 12 months ago. So the majority of people that follow or like your business page on Facebook won't actually see your content. So only about a fraction of people, probably between 2 to 10%, depending on what type of post it is, will be seeing your content pop up in their newsfeed, whether they follow your page or not. So a handy little hint is to ask them to do these steps, or you could just share this video and ask them to do these steps to make sure that people who love your pages see your content when you post it. I'm just going to share my screen with you and show you how to do it. Okay, so here, this is my Facebook page. Now, if I wanted to follow a page, so I'm just going to type in Henshaw's. This is a charity in Manchester that helps people with sight loss. Now again, they post some really good content on there. So as you can see here, I've liked their page, but I'm not likely to see their content unless I'm engaging with their content all the time, because Facebook chooses to put it in only a fraction of people's news feeds. So what we're going to do is you simply see where it says following. We click on this or hover over it. And you see these here in your news feed. You can see first, default. So Facebook defaults it and decides how many times you're going to see it in your news feed. Or you can unfollow them. So you can like their page but not see their content. So you can click that. Now, if it's a page like Henshaw's and you really want to see the fantastic work that they're doing with people, then you want to click see first. And you see where the arrow moves to there, so click on there. The minute you click see first, that now anytime Henshaw's post content in their newsfeed and you've liked their page and you're following their page, then you're going to see their content in your newsfeed. So a really handy little tip to make sure that you see posts in people's content is to do that. And you can do it on your own page too. So if you're managing pages yourself, you can do it on your own page. Make sure you see your own post first. If you're in a company and people are posting content on your page, then make sure you see it first. So there's a handy little tip to ensure that those pages that you really love, that you actually see the content when they post it. So I hope you found that useful. And please feel free to share this video to all your followers so that they get to see the content that you're posting on your newsfeed. Okay, thanks guys. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and subscribe for loads of handy little tips on social media.